Hello, class. This is Professor Thompson, and I want to welcome all of you to the Intro to Diversity Studies class. What I wanted to accomplish with this video was to show you how to navigate the Blackboard website so you can find course materials rather quickly. Okay, well, let's go ahead and get started. Well, when you log into Blackboard, the first page you will see is the landing page of our course. And I have posted a welcome to Intro to Diversity Studies announcement. Whenever you log into Blackboard, please read the announcements. I also create a link where any announcements that I post in class, they will appear in your email box also. So you should be looking at class announcements and also checking your email accounts regularly and reading any email messages that I send. In regards to email, it's very important that you use your Western Technical College email account. Oftentimes, if you are using other accounts such as Yahoo, Gmail, they may on occasion be diverted and placed into my spam folder, and I really don't open my spam folder. One other thing regarding email, I respond to email within 24 hours, Monday through Friday. So if you have a question on the class, it's best to get in touch with me by 5 p.m. on Fridays, and that way I can answer your email. On weekends, I check emails sporadically, and because I'm spending time with my family, doing research and other things. So Monday through Friday, I answer emails within 24 hours. If for some reason I don't answer your email within 24 hours, please send another email. It is not my intent to ignore student emails. During the first 2 weeks of the course, I'm getting a lot of emails from students, from the college, your advisors, and I may have skipped an email, but please resend your email again if I don't get back to you within 24 hours. All right, well, let's go through the course. When you log onto the course, as I said before, please look at the navigation links here on the left-hand side. Right now you have the announcements, which we spoke to about before, and then you have a link for assignments, and this folder contains all the assignments for the class. So you have your student journals, and every week you're going to write a student journal. And let's see, I am going to use the student mode, okay? And under assignments and the student journal, what you'll do is click on the link for the student journal, and then, I'll move this here, you click on begin, and you will check the box. You have to check the box in order to receive credit for your journal. If you don't have any commentary, check the box. If you and then hit submit, hit save and submit. If, for example, you do have a question, first thing to do is the first thing you want to do is click on the link and then go to your email address and write me an email message. And also don't forget to save and submit and check on the box. Okay? And then I I want to exit out of here. Yes, I want to leave. All right. Okay, and then the other assignments, you will have a critical reflection paper due, and you'll have lecture notes. Here are the assignment instructions, and then I provide you with videos on how to cite your papers when you're writing your papers. Other assignments include instructions for the article review, and you have that information there. And for the assignments, the only thing you need to do is to click on the link and submit your assignment. For your papers, I want you to write your papers on a Word doc X. Do not post your work in the comments. Do not copy and paste in the comments. I would like to see your work on a Word doc X. Okay. And then your survey methods assignment. And you can find that there also with instructions. And the group presentation project. I've divided the class into groups, and so you will find your name for the group participation members. And actually, I need to update this one. This one was last month, but I will get that updated in a moment. Okay. Now, here you will find all of your chapter quizzes. And so you take a weekly quiz. Those are due on Sundays by midnight. Now, what I have done is I've provided a checklist, and it's divided up into the weekly folders. And each weekly folder contains all of the assignments and when they are due for that week. All right, so at the very top of your weekly folder, here is the link for the textbook. So you will click on the link and sign into your account, and you can access the textbook. The only thing you will need in terms of Pearson for this class are the chapters to the textbook. And I guess I will go ahead and write that in here. Okay. The only course material required are the chapters from the ebook. Okay. The instructor will not use any assignments or exercises from Pearson. Okay, so that's all you need is the course are the chapters. I won't be using any information other than the chapters from Pearson. So do not complete any of those quizzes or exercises because I will not be grading them there. All of your work you will do off of Blackboard. Okay, here is my contact information with my email address. And you can read my bio. It gives you a little bit of information about me. And here are the discussion. You can enter the discussion here, your first week discussion. You're going to be writing about the social construction of race. And then here you will find the syllabus and once again the link to the textbook. And I just want to show you, for example, under the checklist, start here. What you see here is the link for the ebook, and then as you can tell with the checklist, it's divided up um, into weekly folders and the dates. So for week 1, February 3rd through the 9th, here are all of the work that you will have to do. Number 1, write your discussion posts. Here are the chapter 1 lecture notes. Here's the quiz that you will take. You'll complete the student journal. And also, here's a link. You're going to write a brief student bio in Padlet. And some students have actually written their bio in Padlet. But if you haven't, one thing you can do is all you have to do once you sign in, the password is spring, right here, spring 2020. That's the password for the class. And then once you sign in, you will get something to look like this. All you have to do is click on the plus sign and remember to write your name, student name, and and then you type your post. After that, I would like for you to post a picture. So these 3 dots here, that's what you will use. You click on there, and under, let's see, upload, file upload, here, you can pick a file. I already have a file here, but you can find a file wherever you have them stored um, on your laptop or computer, and then you will find your file and upload it. All right. So that's how you write your student bio. And I have some instructions on what you could actually write about in your student bio. You can write about your semesters in college, why you're taking classes at Western, what your career or academic goals are, and and what would be your dream extended vacation. The student bio is it is just to give you practice on working with Padlet, because you will be using that for the class presentation. And so I'm going to return to the checklist here. And if you scroll down, you will see that I have provided you with your group members' names and their email addresses. And so this is the week that you present. And I've listed it per week in the weekly checklist. And so you know who your group members are and what you will need to do. And so I will provide further details on the group participation project. All right, well, that is all the information that I have. And I just want to welcome all of you to the course. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. And I look forward to working with all of you. Have a good week. Bye now.